So, at the eve of the end, the demon of Azzoatl has finally come for me.
You are blind to the greater good. A minor setback. This ends now. I can't give up. I must save my people.
You know why we're here! It happened! It cannot be stopped!
No, I will succeed. There is no escape.
I'm just here for the lady. There's no need for all this.
Exist. What? How? Get up! Get up! Nothing will stand in my way! You... No! Do not fail me. Not now! Bag of bones!
You there, local, come.
Well enough.
Try to go as far as you can with the deck.
Always
Further.
like
Keep
watching
going.
things explode.
Away from me. All placed. Shall we light it up? I should also mention this might have more questions.
Have those been right under our feet the whole time?
Well,
I've needed more than luck to make it this long.
Alright, I'm making a real quick video showing what my guy looks like. 1850, 67. This is, I've done a whole whopping 3 maps. I don't know, 35, 35. This cap, kind of not capped, but like they're there. Alright. If we're looking at our cool dank inventory, this, 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 this. Like, the gist of it, right, is you just want res, life. This one you want attack speed, lightning damage to attacks, fizz to attacks, whatever. Attack speed, like, sure. Same thing, you want to scale fizz, I guess, if you can. I don't know. I made this with an Exalt Slams or whatever. I was just seeing, is the lightning damage good or not? I don't know. Probably better to just put flat fizz. Life resistance, I mean, you know, same shit, different day. This one I have spirit because I'm planning on at some point getting the Orb of Storms, but that requires me to get my 3rd Ascendancy point so that I could get that. The problem is the 3rd Ascendancy is pretty hard, so I just fell over. That was before I bought any gear. Grand total, I think this gear is a whole whopping, I think I'm 8 exalts in. I don't know. I'm grabbing armor because I can't tell if I like armor or evasion better. It doesn't seem to matter. I'm sure if I just all in on evasion, it'd probably be better. Attributes. My meme thought initially was that I would go ahead and grab the accuracy equal to strength, run over here, grab the accuracy with attack speed, and then stack strength and grab this. But one, getting even the 3rd ascendancy, but the 4th ascendancy would be really hard. And then 2, I realized like ultimately like that's really not that much attack speed and strength. Like, and then I was gonna grab the attributes down here. It just ultimately, it didn't seem like it was worth it. It just seemed like too high of an investment for maybe like when I could start stacking the things. So either way, this is my tree. I guess I like realistically I'm gonna start grabbing defenses. I'll grab evasion. I'll grab this over here. I'll grab this. I'll grab this. I'll grab this. I'll grab this. I'll probably grab this. That'll probably be like a, I don't know, a level 100 tree or some shit like that. I don't really have much else to say. That's kind of the build. It's pretty nifty. Oh, and then maybe grab that too. It seems like it's working well. We'll see how it goes in the future. Oh, this is all fucked. I recognize that. It is what it is. I kind of like the armor and the evasion. It's just not really all that worth it. So probably better just grab attack speed, and then probably just grab projectile damage. I just like attack speed. I don't know. That's my video. I hope you like it. Thanks.